Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a Christmas celebration app on MIT App Inventor. So Christmas is all about giving others happiness. And this time we're going to make an app for the carols. And as you can see, I've already added all the components and the media thing. So let me just say what is to be done. In screen 1 you can just add an icon if you want. Background image is not necessary. Icon you can add, and I've kept the title as visible to false because if it is visible this is seen, so I don't want that to be, so I'll keep the title visible to false. And then I have an image which is clickable. So the main thing is when the image is clicked, this carol changes and the image also changes. The adding the image will be done in the blocks, so we'll insist you not to add anything, and keep the height as fill parent and the width also as fill parent. Okay, and keep the scale picture to fit as true, and then add a notifier which you'll find in the user interface. The image also is in the user interface. So the notifier you can change the background color and the text color. I'll keep it as it is. So these are all the players. The players you will find in the media, this thing. So I've actually added this carols. So I've added actually 10 of them, the 10 carols, Deck the Halls, Go Tell It on the Mountain, and the others. Actually keep the volume as 100 and add the source and rename it so that it will be easy in the blocks. So I've actually added the images and the songs over here. So let's move on to the blocks. So buddies, let's proceed with the blocks. So in the blocks we're going to assign one variable and two procedures which I've added in my backpack. So this is the global images. It depends on the image files which I've added over here. So just search the image on web and download them and then upload it. So and then rename the, actually this initialize thing you'll get over here, the first one, and in the list make a list is over here, and the empty text box is over here. You can add text, and this is for the initialization part. And for the two procedures I have two new carol, so I'm going to keep this over here, delete this extra one and keep this over here. So for the new carol what's going to happen is all the players are once for all going to stop. So stopping in the sense it's the player will stop and the new player will begin. So this procedure part you'll get over here, the first one, and this things the call Deck the Hall stop. Just click on random one and take this one, and then you can take a duplicate or copy paste it. For the third one just take this one, the second thing. So this is to carol. This is the if else if then statement. Okay, so if the image one picture is we wish.jpg, the we wish you a Merry Christmas is going to start playing. So these are the two procedures and the variable. And now we're going to take this screen 1 and take this one. When screen 1 initialized, so when screen 1 is going to initialize, the notifier is going to show a message, a notice. Why is it so stucky? Yeah, so the notifier is going to send a message. It's going to show a message on the screen. So the message is going to be tap on the screen where I've added this. Yeah, so the notifier is going to send a message. It's going to show a message to tap on the screen. So the user sees the notifier and taps on the screen. What will happen is the image will change and the carol will also change. Now take this one, when image 1 click. So when image 1 is going to be clicked, the image one, the picture is going to change. The picture is going to be, go to list and take this one, pick a random item, and the list is going to be, just go to variables and take this get. This is going to be get global images, and then what's going to happen is call Carol and call new Carol. Oh god, why is it so fuzzy? Yeah, so as you can see that call Carol is playing of the song and call new Carol is stopping of the song. Okay, so call new Carol is stopping and call Carol. So we are going to just reverse this because new Carol is stopping. So first the song will be stopped and then the song will be played. Now what I'm going to do is click on this plus sign, yeah, and take this when any player. So if any player is wait, if any player has completed playing, what's going to happen is actually the same thing which is going to happen for if image one is clicked. So I'm going to take a duplicate of this, and this. Just change this to Carol and add over here. I'm going to delete this bit. Yeah, so it's like this. So the main thing is when the user taps on the screen, the images change and the song also, the carol also change. And if the user clicks while playing, taps on the screen while the song plays, the song is going to change and the carol is also going to change. But if the song has completed, the carol has completed, the image will automatically change and the carol will also automatically change. So let me build this now. So actually if you use more number of songs, you may get an error because your app, the size may be more than 30 MB. So in that case what you have to do is you have to cancel out some carols. So actually you can make this app on Cordular if you think that MIT App Inventor can post risks. So you can make this on Cordular. I'll provide the link in the description. And as you use MIT AI to companion to scan the QR code on MIT App Inventor, Cordular companion is used for the Cordular thing. I'll provide the link in the description. So actually the codes and all are same in the Cordular. The graphics are a bit developed and it has more varieties. But the main thing is MIT App Inventor was created first and Cordular was created afterwards. Why is it not building? Oh, there's some internal error. So I'll go to designer and then again go to blocks and click on build. So here you can use the connect option because this may be a complex app for you, so that you can see the real-time preview, but there are some features which will not be available. Okay, so guys, the server is busy now. We'll try some other time. So actually what's going to happen is after building it is going to provide you a QR code. The QR code you have to scan with the MIT AI to companion, whose link I'll provide in the description as said before, and then your app is ready to be tested. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates if I post a new video. And very Merry Christmas to all of you and wish you a very happy New Year. Thanks for watching and bye.